morning students. This is the video number 2 of physics. Chapter name is motion. Next topic is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. A body has a uniform motion if it travels equal distance in equal interval of time, no matter how small these time intervals may be. जब एक बॉडी इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करती है तब हम बोलते हैं वो बॉडी और या फिर वो ऑब्जेक्ट यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में है. फॉर एग्जांपल, ए बॉडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए, देन गोज़ टू पॉइंट बी, देन सी, देन डी, देन ई. जब वो बॉडी ए पॉइंट से स्टार्ट हुई तो ए से बी तक का जो डिस्टेंस था वो था 10 मीटर, बी से सी 10 मीटर, सी से डी 10 मीटर और डी से ई 10 मीटर. और हर एक इंटरवल उसने सेम टाइम में कवर किया है. ए से बी 2 सेकंड, बी से सी 2 सेकंड, सी से डी 2 सेकंड और डी से ई 2 सेकंड. इस टाइप के मोशन को हम बोलते हैं यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. Then non-uniform motion is a body has a non-uniform motion if it travels on equal distance in equal interval of time. जब एक बॉडी अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करती है इन इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल में, तब उस मोशन को हम बोलते हैं नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, ए बॉडी मूव्स फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू बी, बी टू सी एंड सी टू डी. हियर द टाइम इंटरवल from A to B is 2 seconds, B to C is 3 seconds and C to D is also a 2 seconds. But here the distance from A to B is 7 meter, B to C is 10 meter and C to D is 8 meter. Body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time and this motion is known as non-uniform motion. Next topic is speed. Simply the speed of a body give us an idea how slow or a fast that body is moving. Basically, speed of a body is the distance traveled by it per unit time. Speed of the body is the distance traveled by it per unit time. So the formula of speed is distance traveled divided by time taken. So this is the formula of speed. Speed is denoted by V, distance is denoted by small s and t is denoted as time. Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. The SI units of speed is meter per second. That is distance के units होते हैं मीटर और time के units होते हैं second. That is meter per second. These are the SI units of speed. And speed is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude and speed has no direction. It has only magnitude. And next is average speed. The average speed of a body is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken to cover that distance. It means average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by time taken to cover that distance. Then the next topic is velocity. Velocity of a body is the distance traveled by it per unit time in a given direction. So velocity is equal to distance traveled in a given direction divided by time taken. The formula of velocity is same as speed, that is distance in a given direction divided by time taken. When there is a direction in the distance, then the distance converted into displacement. That means velocity is equal to displacement divided by time taken. That is displacement by time. This is the formula of velocity.